Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368D engine oil, fine filter, and gear oil change video tutorial. English guide with Chinese subtitles. ZT368TD oil and fine oil filter gear replacement video tutorial preparation tools. Torque wrench 14mm hex socket, T25 star wrench 14mm 65mm cap type fine oil filter socket, non-woven fabric. Note: the owner must replace the engine oil, fine oil filter, and gearbox oil. The warranty period is 3 months or 1,000 kilometers. Oil maintenance should be performed according to the maintenance indicator light. The fine oil filter should be replaced every 8,000 kilometers or every 30 months after the warranty period. The gearbox oil replacement interval is the same as the fine oil filter. Park the motorcycle on a flat surface, put up the main stand to keep it upright, start the engine and idle for 3 to 5 minutes. If the temperature is below 10 degrees, extend the idling time appropriately. After idling, turn off the vehicle and wait 3 to 5 minutes before performing maintenance. Unscrew the oil dipstick and cover the oil inlet with clean non-woven fabric to prevent foreign objects from falling into the engine. Place the oil pan under the drain bolt and use a 14mm socket to remove the drain bolt. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the oil filter guard plate. There is a clip at this position, so use a tool to gently pry it open to remove the oil filter guard plate. Use a 14.65mm cap-style precision filter socket to remove the precision filter. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Use a non-woven cloth to clean the oil drain area, and reinstall the oil drain bolt. Use a number 14 hex socket and a torque wrench to tighten to a fixed torque value set at 25 Nm. Take out the new precision filter. Before installation, apply a ring of new engine oil to the filter seal. Use a clean non-woven cloth to clean around the engine precision filter, then install the new precision filter. Use a 14.65mm cap-style precision filter socket and a torque wrench to tighten. The torque value is set at 20 Nm. Reinstall the oil filter guard plate. Use a T25 Torx wrench to install and tighten a fixing bolt. Add 1.55 liters of engine oil from the oil filling port. If the oil filter is replaced, add 1.75 liters of engine oil. The oil model for the year is C5W, 40 or 10W, 50 or 10W, 40. New API SN grade or higher. Zontes 4 4-stroke motorcycle oil. Use a non-woven cloth to wipe off residual oil on the oil dipstick and check if the O-ring on the dipstick is damaged or missing. Insert the dipstick into the oil filling port without tightening it. Check whether the oil level is between the highest and lowest levels. After confirming, screw the dipstick back into the oil filling port. Replace the gearbox oil. Unscrew the gearbox oil filler plug. Use a number 14 hex socket and wrench to remove the gearbox drain bolt. Before removing the bolt, place an oil catch pan underneath the bolt. After waiting 5 minutes for the gearbox oil to drain completely, use a non-woven cloth to clean the surrounding area. Then reinstall the bolt into the gearbox and tighten it with a number 14 hex socket. The torque value is set at 20 Nm. Add 200 ml of gearbox oil to the gearbox. After filling, Use a clean non-woven cloth to clean the filling port, then screw the plug back on. Before installation, check whether the O-ring on the bolt is damaged or missing. After replacement, start the vehicle, idle for 3 to 5 minutes, and check if there is any oil leakage from the disassembled parts. Thank you for watching.